How to turn on or off autoplay audio on a REDnote app. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open a REDnote application in your mobile device. Once you open the REDnote app, you want to go ahead and log in to your REDnote account. So once you're logged into your account, simply tap on this me icon at the bottom right corner. And once you're inside your profile section, simply tap on this gear-like icon. Now once you are inside the settings section, simply tap on general settings. And once you are inside general settings section, you want to go ahead and toggle on this button that says play note sound by default. And once you do that, you will then be able to turn on autoplay audio on a REDnote app. If you would like to turn it off, you want to go ahead and toggle off this button. And that's how you do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.